What process describes the falling of river water over a vertical step in the river bed? A. Waterfall formation. B. Overhang collapsing. C. Retreating upstream. D. Undercutting. The correct answer is A. Waterfall formation. What type of waves are S waves? A. Surface waves. B. Transverse waves. C. Compressional waves. D. Longitudinal waves. The correct answer is B. Transverse waves. What is the total length of the Kaveri River? A. 905 kilometers. B. 705 kilometers. C. 605 kilometers. D. 805 kilometers. The correct answer is D. 805 kilometers. When should individuals return to an evacuation zone after a tsunami? A. When the radio broadcast ends. B. Until authorities have given all clear. C. When the water recedes. D. After 30 minutes. The correct answer is B. Until authorities have given all clear. Which body of water is located in Europe? A. Strait of Gibraltar. B. Gobi Desert. C. Aral Sea. D. Lake Baikal. The correct answer is A. Strait of Gibraltar. What is one consequence of accelerating urbanization mentioned in the text? A. Redistribution of wealth. B. Improved agricultural output. C. Housing shortages and slums. D. Increased employment in rural areas. The correct answer is C. Housing shortages and slums. Which type of rivers are mentioned as flowing through different parts of Asia? A. Seasonal rivers. B. Underground rivers. C. Perennial rivers. D. Tidal rivers. The correct answer is C. Perennial rivers. Which Indian state is the largest producer of tea? A. Tamil Nadu. B. West Bengal. C. Assam. D. Kerala. The correct answer is C. Assam. What are considered basic requirements for secondary activities? A. Financial capital. B. Human creativity and talent. C. Machinery and infrastructure. D. Natural environment. The correct answer is B. Human creativity and talent. When did the first Europeans arrive in North America? A. 16th century. B. 17th century. C. 15th century. D. 18th century. The correct answer is A. 16th century. In which district is Kagitpuram located? A. Coimbatore. B. Karur. C. Madurai. D. Chennai. The correct answer is B. Karur. Which of these is explicitly listed as a primary pollutant? A. Acid rain. B. Oxides of nitrogen. C. Smog. D. Ozone. The correct answer is B. Oxides of nitrogen. What is the approximate area covered by the Arctic Ocean? A. 7,235 meters. B. 15.56 million sq km. C. 9 degrees. D. 8 degrees. The correct answer is B. 15.56 million sq km. Which landform is described as an inhospitable environment? A. Khyber Pass. B. Intermontane plateaus. C. Dead Sea. D. Mountain range with Metricton, Everest. The correct answer is D. Mountain range with metric ton, Everest. What is a common characteristic of most of the world's settlements? A. They are metropolitan. B. They are industrial. C. They are rural. D. They are urban. The correct answer is C. They are rural. What are the levels of energy transformation in an ecosystem called? A. Conversion levels. B. Ecological levels. C. Tropic levels. D. Biotic levels. The correct answer is C. Tropic levels. What was a primary reason for the rise of permanent settlements? A. The discovery of valuable minerals. B. The need for better hunting grounds. C. The development of transportation systems. D. The domestication of plants and animals. The correct answer is D. The domestication of plants and animals. Forces that work on the surface of the earth are called what? A. Seismic forces. B. Exogenic forces. C. Endogenic forces. D. Tectonic forces. The correct answer is B. Exogenic forces. What type of disaster-related concept is mentioned as a learning objective? A. Disaster causes. B. Key concepts in disaster management. C. Disaster effects. D. Disaster statistics. The correct answer is B. Key concepts in disaster management. What material is dissolved to form a sinkhole, as demonstrated by the activity? A. Clay. B. Sugar. C. Salt. D. Sand. The correct answer is B. Sugar. Which of these is an example of a non-metallic mineral? A. Iron ore. B. Copper. C. Mica. D. Bauxite. The correct answer is C. Mica. What is one of the key learning objectives regarding resources? A. To classify resource types. B. To know the importance of resources. C. To market resources effectively. D. To manage resource depletion. The correct answer is B. To know the importance of resources. Which type of forest is characterized by long, severely cold winters and short, cool summers? A. Deciduous forest. B. Coniferous forest. C. Tundra. D. Rainforest. The correct answer is C. Tundra. What problem is listed concerning the workforce? A. Good technical and vocational training. B. High availability of skilled laborers. C. Excessive unionization. D. Non-availability of cheap laborers. The correct answer is D. Non-availability of cheap laborers. Rafting in the Brahmaputra River at Arunachal Pradesh is an example of what? A. Adventure tourism. B. Historical tourism. C. Religious tourism. D. Cultural tourism. The correct answer is A. Adventure tourism. Along which natural features did the evolution of farming primarily occur? A. Deserts and arid plains. B. Mountain ranges and plateaus. C. Forests and grasslands. D. 4 major river basins. The correct answer is D. 4 major river basins. How long does the Earth take to complete one rotation on its axis? A. 24 hours. B. 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds. C. 4.09 seconds. D. 23 hours. The correct answer is B. 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds. What is the installed capacity of the Sardar Sarovar Dam? A. 1325 megawatts. B. 1960 megawatts. C. 1450 megawatts. D. 960 megawatts. The correct answer is C. 1450 megawatts. Which region is mentioned as a cradle of ancient civilizations along with Mesopotamian and Chinese civilizations? A. Indus Valley. B. Nile Valley. C. Rhine Valley. D. Danube Valley. The correct answer is A. Indus Valley. What alternative activity is mentioned as having very low investments? A. Cotton farming. B. Milk production. C. Tea production. D. Goat rearing. The correct answer is D. Goat rearing. How did you score?